Introducing the Siou 4K, an awesome piece of gear that allows 4K HDMI output from your devices to your iPad or iPhone to monitor, record, stream and share your content. Let's get started with that unboxing thing before jumping in with the demo. Included in the box are the following: manual, Allen key to adjust tilt angle for included cold shoe adapter, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to lightning cable, a cold shoe adapter, Siou 4K with the following features: HDMI import, USB-C 5V output port to power other devices like microphones or lights, SD card reader used for file backups only, power on off button, battery indicator, USB-C video and power output to connected iPad or iPhone, MPF series battery slot, batteries not included, 1/4" mounting hole, and with a neat retractable iPhone mount. Extend all the way until button pops. Then place iPhone on mount and gently press iPhone and the mount will automatically close to secure iPhone. Cue the demo. Here's how to connect the Siou 4K to a Mac using iPad as a monitor, to a DSLR camera using iPhone as a field monitor, and to an A10 mini using iPad as a multi-view monitor. First, download the iPad app from the App Store to your iPhone or iPad. Next, attach an MPF series battery to the Siou 4K. Once that's complete, the Siou 4K is ready to use. Now, simply connect the correct HDMI cable from your device to the HDMI import and USB-C or lightning cable from your iPad or iPhone to USB-C video output on the Siou 4K and turn it on. Then, open the iPad app, tap Siou 4K, then on monitor button. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you on the next video. Peace.